In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Apple subscriptions. So I'll be showing you how to check your active and also your past subscriptions as well. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and locate the App Store from your home screen. If you can't find this, you can always use the search box and type in App Store and then just go and open up this app. Once you're signed in, click on the profile icon in the top right hand side and then click on Purchase History. Now this will show you all of your previous purchases on your Apple account, and you can scroll down to see a long list of all of your previous purchases. Now to find your active subscriptions and also to cancel your subscriptions as well, click back on your profile picture in the top right hand side, click on your profile name and then click on Subscriptions. Now at the top of the page you'll see all of your active subscriptions, and then below that you'll see anything that you've already cancelled. You can also click on any of your active subscriptions and you can go and cancel them directly from this window here. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.